right? So if you see here, you can see that data analysts, AI and machine learning specialists, big data specialists. So these are at the top three. Okay, so and the reason we are focusing on Python as a year-long workshop is predominantly because of this. So if you want to get into any of this data science related projects or any of these AI related projects, Python can definitely help. Python is not the only way, but Python can definitely help you to get into any of these programs, like doing any of these projects programs, right? So that's one of the reason we are focusing Python as a year-long course. Eventually, we would also like to make machine learning and AI itself as a year-long course. So that's something on our cards, and we are looking into that as well. So if you see further down here, digital marketing is there, which is something which we are covering.